So here we have an orifice plate. This, of course, is a new one. But if you were inspecting one of these in the line, you'll see the tab only. You won't see the plate itself. But that tab does contain info that Jack's going to explain in a minute. But what are some of the things to look for if I'm having a look at these, Jack?
One thing you want to look for if you're inspecting one, you want to make sure that the bore here, you want to make sure that it's nice and flat. There's no nicks or anything like that. And on the inlet side, which we'll look at, this tells us the inlet side, it should be flat. So that would be your inlet side. Your downstream side, there's actually it's tapered or beveled, which would be on the downstream side. So you check, first of all, to make sure it's installed properly in the line when you put it back in or they pull it. And these tabs, what's sad, sometimes a lot of people will cut these tabs off because they're in the way, but they have all the vital information. You could check on your loop sheet, your spec sheet, and all to make sure that the right orifice plate is assigned to the right transmitter in the field. But this is where you would verify, you'd get this number and go to that loop sheet or spec sheet and verify that the bore size is correct on the orifice. And the bore size will be stamped in it also. In this case, it's 4.491 inches. You'll see here, this is the inlet side. And this will tell you it's 6-inch, 300 pounds, 316 stainless. So you can get a lot of information off these tabs. That's why it's critical not to let anybody cut them off if they're in the way, which tends to happen a lot of times in the field. If you can't get it out of the line and you go and look in line with a bore scope, it's very critical to look at this, your bore, and look for nicks or any kind of scratches or anything bad that's going to make your flow more turbulent as it goes across your inlet side right there.